Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here to talk about a product by Korean Red Ginseng Vita Tonic by this brand called Jang. So if you're very familiar with things that you can drink or intake, red ginseng has been known to have specific proprietary values that help with skincare, diet, keeping you younger, and having ability to prevent wrinkles. So I was actually at a salon and everyone was having some tea mixed with some of this Korean Red Ginseng Tonic. So I decided to purchase some. You can find them at Asian stores, also on Amazon and their website. So I decided to try it. This is their grapefruit tonic. It comes with about 10 capsules and they look like this. And it comes with this bottle opener. So you take this bottle opener that's provided to you and you put this here and it opens up the tonic and it looks like this. So they have this drinking version and they also have a version that you can make your own tea, and it's about this big of a jar and they come in different sizes and prices. So I believe this was about $50 or around maybe $25. It ranges from $25 to $50 depending on how many capsules come, but I highly recommend it if you're interested in drinking something that you think will help prevent wrinkles, anti-aging, good for your skin. Definitely try this brand. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updated videos on lifestyle, skincare, and makeup. Bye.